Laziness is a quiet thief that steals our time and dreams. It creeps into our days, inviting us to postpone what truly matters. Sometimes we find comfort in delaying tasks, believing that tomorrow will bring renewed energy. Yet tomorrow is uncertain and rarely arrives as promised. Every action you take, no matter how small, builds momentum against the inertia of laziness. A little progress each day can lead to remarkable achievements over time. Remember, resting is essential, but too much rest can quickly turn into regret. It's natural to feel tired, yet pushing through that fatigue transforms you into a stronger version of yourself. Believe in your ability to change the narrative of your life. Every decision to act fuels your future with hope and endless possibility. Push yourself to break free from the grip of inertia and watch as new energy fills your spirit. Embrace the challenge of change with an open heart and a brave mind. Each moment you resist laziness, you choose growth over comfort. Let that spark of action ignite a...
So guys, have you ever seen the stick figure animation niche that is blowing up right now? Okay, so this is a channel in this niche that is ranking in millions and thousands of views upon each video. So I'm going to show you how to do this in just few simple steps using your mobile phone. Okay, let's get right in. So the first thing you will want to do is to go to Chatgpt and upload this image. So I'm going to leave this image in the description box below. So you upload this image and then you tell Chatgpt to reason to this image. Okay, let me just say, what can you deduce from this image? Okay, so make sure you select the option reason so that Chatgpt will be able to understand what prompt you are about to give to it. So click on enter. Okay, as you can see, Chatgpt has already gotten to know the idea of this image. So it says it appears to be a simple minimalistic drawing of a stick figure on a black background. Okay, so the idea of this is to allow Chatgpt to understand what prompt we are about to give it. So paste this prompt. So I'm going to put this prompt at the description so that you can also be able to use it. So Chatgpt already understand what this image looks like. Okay, so then I said, so you will generate me a script about 250 words on the topic laziness. So you can choose a topic of your choice. All right, so the next thing to do, just make sure you tweak the prompt to your preference. Okay, so we are trying to generate the script for our video right here. So I'll click on enter. Okay, so as you can see, Chatgpt has already generated the script for us. Okay, so also it's generated the image prompt that we are going to use to generate our stick figure animation. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to copy the script and convert the script into a voice over. So I'm taking a sample, I'm copying the first paragraph, and then you head over to ElevenLabs and click on text to speech. Okay, I'm pasting my prompts, right? So this is my prompt. So just select any voiceover character that you want to use. It's very easy. Okay, just select anyone from the image from the library. Okay, so let me go for Alice. Let me go for Alice.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Let me go for Alice. Click on it, and then click on generate speech.
Laziness is like a silent shadow that slowly creeps into our lives, whispering that rest is all we truly need. Sometimes I feel its gentle call when the weight of the day seems unbearable,
That's awesome.
convincing me to...
That's awesome. So what you are going to do now is to download your voiceover. Okay, so when you download your voiceover, the next thing to do is to go over to generate our characters. So you need to go to, go back to Chatgpt and copy the prompts. Okay, so you do it one after the other. So I copy this first prompt right here. Copy, go over to Leonardo AI. Alright, and then click on image generation. Okay, so what I usually do is to use the flow state in Leonardo AI, but at the same time you can use the classic mode, but in this case I'm going with the classic mode. Okay, so I'm at the classic mode, so make sure you set this to Phoenix 1.0 so that I can get the best quality. Alright, okay, this has Phoenix 1.0. so I'm pasting I want to paste my prompt right here. Okay, this is my prompt. Okay, so make sure you set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the equivalent video ratio for YouTube. Alright, so then you click on generate. Wow, you see our image has been generated, though this is not so perfect, but the more you keep using the remaining prompts, you will get the ones you can actually use. So what you just need to do is to download each and every one of the script of the character to your mobile phone, and then you head over to your video editing software. So I'm using InShot in this case. I can use CapCut, but let me try to use InShot. So just click on video. Yeah, so I can click on new project to start from scratch, but let me just show you what I've already created using this prompt that I've showed you already. So this is what you saw at the intro of this video. So this is exactly
Laziness is
how
a
it's
quiet
going to
thief
be.
that steals our time and dreams. It creeps into our day.
So it's pretty easy. So what you just need to do is just to match the voice over with the correct character, the correct stick animated characters. All right, so that is all for this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and if you want me to do a complete full tutorial on this, I can also do that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.